Okay, the recording is on, and in this today's session, we'll be learning joining sets. In the previous session, we have seen, yes, remove items from
Yes.
sets. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so let me, give it a title here. Okay, comment. Okay, so we'll say, so Python sets union. Okay. Okay, so you have my screen, right?
Yes.
So, there are many ways that you can join two or more sets. Okay. So let's say, what are those, ways that we can see it step by step. Okay. So the union is there, update is there. Okay. That can join all the items from both sets. Okay. Means let's say we have two sets here. Okay. So for instance, we have uh, fruit one. Okay, and in that we have apple, banana, and kiwi. Okay, and there is a fruits too. Okay, another side in that we have mango, then cherry, and then uh, guava. Okay, so there are two sets. Okay, basically we want to do what? Join these two sets. Okay, so you can do that using union. Okay, update. Okay, or you can join, but keeping only duplicates. Okay, so that's called intersection. Okay, intersection, it will keep only duplicates, and difference. Okay, it will keep only the difference and not the same. Okay, uh okay, so now in this one, let's see all these functions now. Okay, so union method, let's see what is union method. So let me comment it. Python union. Okay, so this returns a new set. Returns a new set. Okay, with all atoms from both sets. Okay, so Python union returns a new set. Okay, which returns a new set with all items from both sets. Meaning what? If I do join these two sets, it is going to return all the items from both sets. Okay, so let's see how to do that. As I already have this list, okay, I'm just going to perform union operation. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's see, it returns a new set. So when it returns a new set, I have to say it's a fruits new set. Okay, so are my favorite fruits. Okay, my favorite fruits. Okay, so this is the set. It is it contains all the items from fruits one dot union, and then you have to pass another fruits. Okay, okay, so you are passing in here that fruits one dot union, and say here fruits two. Okay, so what is happening? First, it will get the items from fruits one, then it will get all the items from fruits two and keep it in, my favorite sets. So what you need to do, you need to print it. Print my favorite. So this is the, joining operation. Okay, so let's run this. So let me comment the previous, session's code. Okay, let me save this. Okay, let me run this now. Okay, see, now I have fruits, another list. Okay, now you can see that this list contains, fruits one content and fruits two content, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Now we can create, instead of this, dot union, you can do the same operation using, OR operator. Okay, see how to do that. So you can use this operator, okay, OR operator, okay, instead of union, okay, and you will still get the same result, okay, like how, okay. So let me just copy in here fruits one and fruits two. Okay, we have copied in here. Okay, now what we have to do? Okay, it returns another set, right? So we'll say my favorite, is equal to fruits one or fruits two.
Hello.
Okay,
Hello. I can.
yeah, my favorite is equal to fruits one or fruits two. You got it? So we are actually having, two sets, fruits one and fruits two. So we are saying fruits one or, okay, fruits two. So basically it joins these two sides and gives us, another side, and then we need to print it. Then we need to print it. So here we go. Let me comment this part now. Okay. Yes, because it will print again the fruits. Okay. This is program number two. This is program number one. So let me put it here. Program one. Okay, and this is program number two. Okay, and let me comment this. It will help you understand what we are doing in here. Okay, so by naming program one, program two, you'll understand. Okay, like where program begins and where program ends. So here we go. We comment this now. Oh, sorry, this we have to run it now. Okay, so let me just clear this terminal and save this one. Okay, and let me run this. Okay. See, we still get the same output. Okay, so you can use this fruits one dot union, or you can use fruits or, okay, fruits one or fruits two. So this operator, okay, either way is fine. Okay, so this also joins two sets. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now we learn how to join multiple sets. Okay, okay, so now let me comment this one. So let's see how to join. Okay, so let's see how to join multiple sets. Okay, okay, so you have to pass in, see, if you want to join multiple sets, okay, you just need to add more sets in the parenthesis. Okay, parenthesis meaning what? That that you have dot add you do here. See, fruits one dot union. Okay, so and you
Hello?
pass here fruits two. Okay, so
Hello?
you can just say comma and pass
Hello?
on another set. Yes, Tatak, what happened?
Hello?
Yes,
I cannot hear you.
no, you check your microphone. Check your
Hello?
microphone, please. Yeah,
Oh,
please check. Please check microphone.
can you type in the chat?
Okay.
Okay, one second.
So now can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, it was problem from your side. Okay. Now shall we
Oh,
continue?
yes.
So if you want to add more sets, okay, like let's say not just two sets, but if let's say we have more than two sets here, then what we can do, we can pass on like more sets, by using comma. Okay, fruits two, comma fruits three in parentheses. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, how to do it. So adding more sets now. Okay. So this is uh what we can name it as students. Okay. So we'll take students. So STD1, student one, and this is a state. We can say John. Okay. Do you remember your friend's name? Peter. Okay. Nina. Do you remember your friend's name?
Yes.
Or tell me.
I
Mike and Sam,
once. Yes.
then Chia, okay, then another side, then Nayan,
Kavya.
Kavya, okay, okay, and one more, Kavish. So now see, in here we have three sets, okay? So we want to join all these students, okay? So what to do? Or another set we create quickly. We say here, it's a wait, Tathak, okay, and UI. Okay, see, we want to, put all the sets in one set. We join all these four sets. Okay, how to do that? It's a students list we are creating out of four sets. Okay, so see, student std1 dot union, and we have to say set another set. Okay, like say student two. Third, said student three, and fourth said, student four. You just need to pass in with comma. Okay, you just need to pass in with comma, and then you have to print this student, and this should work. Okay, S. You need to put S. Okay, so now you can just see. Let me clear this first. Okay, rerun the program. Okay, here we go. We have a new set return. Okay, so union returns a new set. Okay, which is like joining operation on student one, student two, student three, and student four. So all the names are listed here. You see, and if you want to achieve the same result, okay, through OR operator, what you can do? Okay, you can do like this. See. With OR operator, what you can do? You can say my favorite students. Okay, so you can say std1 or std2, another OR operator, std3, and yes, you're correct, another OR operator and std4. Okay, so now you understand? So here we can print. Okay, we have printed students. Now instead of students, we'll print my favorite. Okay, so either way, you use this one, this line of code, or this line of code. Either way, it is giving us same result. Okay, so let's run this program. Before that, clear this and run this. Okay, do you see here? Okay, do you see? We get the same output, isn't
Yes.
it? Okay. Let's comment this part. Okay. Okay. So here we go. So we will join now. Okay, one side and one tuple. Joining a single side and a tuple. Okay. So it's a two different data types. Okay. Two different, two different data types. Okay. Okay. So like list and tuples, okay? So let's say one data type we have, like say student one is it is the set, okay? So we'll say it's the John, Peter, okay? Then Mike, okay? And Sam. And then another we are going to create tuple, okay? Marks. So marks will be, this is a tuple, so parenthesis, okay? Don't use this will be said, okay? Use parenthesis, so we'll give, like say 65, 78, 94, and 83. Okay. So these are like marks of them. So now we want to, you know, join one tuple and one set. Can we do that? Yes. So it returns us, students is equal to std1 dot, union, and then you pass marks. Okay. And then you print students. Let me clear this and let me run this. Okay, here we go. We have John, Sam, Peter, Mike, and then Marks also. So we have combined, we have, joined two different data type sets. One is the numbers tuple and one is string sets. Okay, so it's a two different, sets. Okay, so but now you might think that we can achieve the same results using OR. Okay, see, like you might think that we can do like this, okay, with OR operator. Let me just comment this one. Okay, so now in here, okay, so we have to join using OR operator. Okay, can we do that? Let's see it. Okay, std1 and marks. Okay, so you might think that you get the same result using OR operator, but let's run this. Okay, okay, okay. Here we go. It says unsupported operand types. Okay, set and tuple. Okay, so read this. It's a type error, means different data types. No, it's not supported. You understand? Different data types, it's not supported. So we'll just say warning. Okay, type error. Unsupported operand types means we cannot have different data types. Okay, so it needs same data types. Okay, like it cannot be set one set and another tuple. It can be only two sets. Okay, and this cannot be a tuple in the case of or only. So this is wrong, no? Yes, this is wrong. With or operator, you cannot do that. Okay, so you cannot join one set and one tuple using or operator. Okay, cannot join
Yes.
one set and one tuple. Okay, I'm just providing this to you, giving you this. So this is going to give error. Don't try to fix it. Okay, otherwise you'll keep trying fixing it. See, now what we will do is we are going to see instead of returning a new set, we want to update the original set. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Okay, so let me type here. Okay, so update. What we are seeing now, update. Okay, so update will not return a new state. Okay, it will do the joining operation though. It will do the joining operation, joining two sets, but it will not return a new set. Okay, rather it will update. Okay, it will make changes in the original set. Okay, rather it will make changes in the original set. Okay, instead of returning a new set. I hope you understand this. Okay, let me just copy this and paste it in here, student one and student two. Okay, this one. Okay, okay, it is copied and we just pasted it here. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, what is update? So what do we do? We say std1 dot update, not join. Okay, so pass in std2. Now you might wonder why we don't have here anything. Okay, like we used to do with the join. Like students is equal to std1 dot join. But why don't we do that here? Why don't we write this? Okay, students equal to in here with the update. Because focus here, it will make changes in the original set. So original set is std1, the one which is calling update function. You got it? So the set which is calling update function, it will get modified. Means this student one will not have only John, Peter, Nina, but it will have items from student 2, Mike, Sam, and Sia also. Let's print it. Print std1. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's clear this. Okay. Save this. Okay. And run this. Here we go. So our student one before it was only John. See, it was only John, then Pete, Sam, and Peter. Now you see Nina, Mike, Sia, you know, it has joined all these items from, student 2. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that is update. So update, doesn't return any new set. Okay. So let me just take the recording. Give me 10 seconds. Okay. The recording is on. So let's continue, you know. So let's add, duplicate items in this one. Okay. Let's say in the student one now, we'll keep, Sam. Okay. Just duplicate items from, student two, and then comma, and then Mike. Okay. So what we are trying to do in here, we are trying to see, you know, that the student one if already has, Sam and Mike. Okay. Which is also present in student two. Okay, so does it mean that update, when we say student one dot update, does it mean that it will have, two Mike, okay, and two Sam? Because we already have one Sam and one Mike in the student one. So if we add, like Mike and Sam from student two, and Sia in student one, then there will be two Mike and two Sam. So does it mean that? Let's see, let's clear it. Okay. And run this one. Oh, see here, we only have one mic and one Sam. So what does it mean? Let's see with the, union one, what happens. Okay, with the union one, let's try this. Okay. So with the union, let me just here the original list is updated to here. So we with the union one we tried. We just copy paste all the code. Okay, in here we're just trying with the union. Okay, so what does union do? Okay, so it's returning another set which is student three. Okay, so just print here student three and say it's a union. Okay, student one dot union. So is it like the same output we have? Let's run this, clear this. Okay, let's run this. Okay, see, it's like, we have the same output. See, here we have Peter, Nina, Mike, Sia, John, Sam. Okay, all right. So what does it mean? It excludes, okay, union and let me put it here. Union and update will exclude duplicates. Any duplicates means it doesn't, take items from another list, okay, which is a duplicate, okay. Similar one, like say set one has already Sam, so it's not going to take the Sam from student two and put it in the student one. You understand? It already it has Mike, okay, in the student one, so it will just skip this, okay, Sam and Mike from student two, and the one which is not present in student one, it will take that at. You understand? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So let's do, see intersection now. Okay. So let's comment all this part now. Okay. Let me say this is the program number. Okay. This is program number. Okay. This is two. This is three. Okay. This is 4, and this is 5, which is wrong though. Okay, I mean it will give you error because the OR operator cannot join two different data type sets. This is program 6, and this is program 7. Okay, all right, so let's do intersection. Okay, it will keep only duplicates. Keep only duplicates. All right. So intersection method will return new set. Okay. So it will give you new set. How is that? See, I'm going to copy the student 1 and student 2. Okay. Okay. It has, duplicates like, John, is it present in student 2? No. Peter, no. Nina, no. Sam, yes. Mike, yes. So, these two sets have duplicates Mike and Sam. Okay, so this is what we want. Okay, so we say student 3, it's it will keep only duplicates from student 1, okay, and student 2. Okay, so intersection will only give you, it will return you new set which contains duplicates from student 1 and student 2. So you print this now, print std3. Okay, let's clear this, save this. Okay. See, it's giving me only duplicates, Mike and Sam. You understand? Okay.
Yes.
And you can do that using, the AND operator also. Okay. So let's say student 4 is the another set. Okay. That intersection, see, the AND operator will give you. Okay. Before we see the OR operator. Okay. Now we'll see AND operator. Okay. So STD1 and STD2, it is same as, intersection. Okay, so both will give you the same result. Okay, just print it, print std4. Okay, so this is just syntax wise, it is different. It is giving you same result. So let me just rerun the program. See, it is giving me same result. Okay, so you use that one. Okay, all right. So, but the only condition that you need same data types in here. Okay, so both should be states. Okay, if you're joining it's like it should one should be said, another should be tuple. In that case this doesn't work. Okay, you understand? And now let's say I want to update the original set. Okay, and not returning a new set. So intersection, okay, we say update. Okay, it will do the same, but it will not return. Okay, it will not return new set. Rather it will make changes in the original set. Okay, so let's see that. Only thing you have to do is intersection update. Update should not return anything new set. Okay, rather it will do the changes, make changes in student one only. Okay, I hope you understand this. Let's delete this line. Let's delete this one and just print std1. Okay, let me comment all this. This is the program number 8. Okay, so let me just put a comment in here. It will help me to find new programs. Okay, because we are providing multiple comments here. Okay, so let's run this, save this, clear the code. Okay, see, it is giving us Sam and Mike, but this time it is not returning any new list, new set. Actually, it is doing updates in the student one. Okay, you understand?
Okay.
Okay, now I
Yes.
want I want differences now. Okay, so this is program number 9. Okay, so let's comment this. And now we'll just copy the student one and student two. Okay. What do we want? We want differences. Differences meaning what? Like we don't want duplicates. Okay. So we say here differences. All right. So okay. So what it returns? It will return new set. Okay. Returns new set contains only items from first set that are not present in second set, okay, or another set. Like say John is there, okay, but John is present in set 2? No. So this will be okay in the new set. Okay, let's say student 3 is the new set, and when you say student 1 dot difference is okay, and then you say STD2. So, it will keep only differences. Means John, is it present? No. Peter, is it present? No. Nina? No. Sam? Yes. Mike? Yes. So, you know what? Sam and Mike won't be present in new set. Okay. So, only the unique one from student 1 will be, present in student 1. Unique one from student 2, it won't be present. See, if I say here, Vishal, okay, so it's not like Vishal is present in, new site, okay, only from student one, understand? So I'm just printing student one now. Okay, what should be present? John, is it present in student two? No. Peter, no. Nina, no. Sam, yes. Mike, yes. So Sam, Mike will be skipped, okay, because these are duplicates. And John, Peter, Nina will be in the student three, okay. So let's just put it in here and print it. Okay, let's clear, save the file and run the file. See, it is saying John, Nina, Peter, but you might say, okay, sir, why Vishal is not presenting and Sia is not presenting the student two? Because it is from unique one taken from student one, not from student two. Okay, you understand? So it will keep all items from set 1 that are not in set 2. Okay. All right. So you can do that operation. Okay. Using differences. Okay. I hope you understand these concepts. Okay. That's it for today's session. Okay. We'll see new concepts in the tomorrow's session. Okay. Have a nice day. See you in the tomorrow's session. Bye.